nawo ngakubuza ukuthi-ke baye batshela lawo maphoyisa ukuthi-ke yini isizathu sokuthi-ke umzana Ntanzi bamlethe lapha ekini eVilera.
baye basho njalo bathi bacelile ukuthi bamlethe kithi bamlethela icase yakaSenzomeyiwa.
Their explanation, my lord, was that they've requested that he be brought to our station for the Senzomeyiwa case.
Ngokwazi kwami ngacabanga ukuthi bafuna lapho kungaqalanga khona abantu.
I assumed, my lord, that they wanted a place where it's not congested with people.
And whilst you were a relief commander there, at any stage did the police officers also bring another suspect that they said was in relation to the Senzomeyiwa case?
Manje ke ngale nkathi usaselapha wena usenza lapha njengo relief commander akhona amaphoyisa mhlamba letha omunye ke owumsolwa ke bathi naye ke kuwena unesandla kulecala lika Senzomeyiwa.
Kunjalo ngafika ngathola kukhona umsolwa othize kwathi kana ulethelele licala lelo. Nanoma zange ngakhona ukuba naye ngoba kusikhathi esincane.
Yes, my lord, when I got there I was informed, or I found that there's another suspect who was already detained for the Senzomeyiwa case, even though I did not have much interaction with him because it was just for the short period.
And what is the name of that suspect?
Ubani manje ke lo msolwa igama lakhe?
Mangikhumbula kwathiwa uMuzi Sibiya.
If I recall, it was Muzi Sibiya.
Okay. And any other suspect also that was brought there? Is there any suspect that was brought there who they said was in relation to the Senzomeyiwa case?
Ngaphandle kwalowo ke ukhona futhi omunye umsolwa owalethwa lapha kule station seni ukuthi naye ke unesandla kulecala lika Senzomeyiwa.
Kunjalo Nkosi.
Yes, that is correct.
Who was that suspect?
Ubani ke lo yena?
Baletha David Mathebula owayedlala iKaizer Chiefs.
They brought David Matebula, who was the Kaizer Chiefs player.
Now, Captain, I'm about to wrap up. During your interaction with the police officers that were involved in these investigations, you've mentioned Mabena and Mohane. Did you interact with those police officers?
Uyakhuluma ke ngamaphoyisa amabili ukuthi ke yiwona bebane ibona bekwa maphenyi balecala likumabhena noMohane wena ke wakhuluma nabo ke noMabhena noMohane.
Kunjalo Nkosi.
Yes, that's correct.
And of the two, or both of them, did they frequent Villeria police station for investigations in relation in particular to Mr. Ntanzi?
Manje ke bona bababili bebanokufika lapha eVilera police station ke malana ke nayo Ntanzi.
Kakhulu bekuza Sergeant Mabena.
Sergeant Mabena was the one that frequented a lot, my lord.
And how frequent did he visit Villeria police
Manje
station?
ubeza kangakanani nje lapha eVilera police station?
Akubaleki kodwa bekuyenzeka mhlambe kube 3 times in a week.
It could be 3 times in a week.
Yeah, or more.
Or more.
Now, finally, Captain, it is alleged that on the 7th of February 2021, the same officers, Mabena and Mohane, they found a cell phone in the possession of Mr. Ntanzi. Do you know anything about that?
Manje ke kuthiwa ke ngimhla ka7 February ngo2021 wona lawo maphoyisa amabili ke uMabhena noMohane bathi ke bathola iCellphone ke kumzana Ntanzi khona mhlawumbe okwaziyo kulokho.
Cha ngicela ukuyizwa mangila court.
It was my first time hearing that or saying here in court.
Captain, thank you so much for your time. Those were the questions I wanted to take up with you. My Lord, I'm indebted. Thank you.
Ngiyabonga Captain ke for isikhathi sakho iwana imibuzo ke benginayo mina for wena.
Yeah, Mr. Yes, any questions? Hello? I don't have any questions. No questions. All right. Any questions, sir?
Yes, I do have questions.
Okay, let's hear you.
Captain, it is alleged that on the 8th of February 2021, Sergeant Mohane booked the alleged cell phone. It is alleged that that cell phone was found in possession of Mr. Ntanzi before this court. Do you understand that?
Captain, Kuthiwa ke uSajo Mohane kahle uthi ke ngazo ke i-8 kaFebruary ngo-2021 ke uye wabhuka i-cellphone le eyatholakala kuMnumzane Ntanzi. Uyakuzwa lokho?
ngiyakuzwa.
I can hear you.
He booked the alleged cell phone in the SAP 13 register of Middelburg, the CPI.
Futhi ke yona leyo cellphone le ke kuna ngayo lo uthi yatholakala kuNtanzi ke yana ke uMohane ke wasebhuka ke ku-SAP 13 yase-Middelburg.
Captain, are you aware of the procedure that is supposed to be followed in the event that an exhibit is found in possession of an inmate whilst he is in custody in the cells?
Captain, uyalazi ke uhlelo noma ke indlela okumelwe ukuthi ilandelwe uma ngabe ke mhlambe ke khona okutholakalayo ke njengo exhibit ke kumuntu oboshiwe ke ongaphakathi emaselini.
Kunjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
What processes are to be followed, Captain, in relation to the documentation of that exhibit in the registers?
Manje ke kufanele kulandelwe umphumhlelo kakhulukazi ukuthi ke manje ke kubhalwe phansi ke leyo exhibit kuma i-register.
Uma ngabe bokuyi angithi uma ngabe lento ethole kuye bafuna ukuyisebenzisa for ubufakazi obuthize
Yes.
ebazoyibhuka ku-SAP 13.
Ngiyacela. My lord, if maybe whatever they found an exhibit, they want to use it as part of the evidence in court, that was supposed to be recorded on the SAP 13.
The SAP 13 of which police station?
SAP 13 wayiphi police station?
Yaseveleria.
Valeria police station.
Yes.
But uma ngabe kuyinto eyimpahla yomsolwa ebazoyibhuka ku-SAP 22 ukuze bangahamba akwazi ukuyithola.
But if it was just the suspect's property, that will have to be booked in SAP 22, and then it will be handed back to the suspect when released.
Then, if the exhibit is for further investigation, you say it will be booked in the SAP 13 register of Villera police station. What will then happen thereafter to that exhibit?
Manje ke uye wathi ke mangabe ke into ke engasetshenziswa ke mhlambe ukwenza uphenyo uye wathi ke kufanele ibhukhwe lapha ku SAP 13 yaseVillera ke emva kwaloko ke kuzoyenzakalani ke naleyo mpahla leyo.
Umseshi wecala bekazoyikhipha ku-SAP 13 yethu then kuthiwe transferred from Villeria ahambe iye mhlawumbe uma ngabe bafuna for downloading bayithathe bayise downloading.
My lord, then the investigating officer of the particular matter will then remove the property or the exhibit from our SAP 13 and then will write transferred from Villeria. If maybe that exhibit was needed for downloading, he will indicate that for downloading purposes.
In this case, did any such processes followed?
Manje kule qala lesihlezi kulona manje ke kuyokalandela yonke ke lelo hlelo lelo.
Cha mina ngicela ukuzwa manje ukuthi bekunento njalo.
No, my lord, since it is my first time that I'm hearing that there was something like that.
Captain, despite the SAP-10 that went missing, is it also correct that the defense requested you to assist with the SAP-13 of the 7th of February 2021?
Captain ke ngaphandle kwe-SAP 10 ke leke nyamalele ke ingatholwanga ke iqiniso ukuthi ke abameli ke baye bacela ukuthi ke usize nge-SAP 13 ange-7 kaFebruary.
Kunjalo.
Yes, that's correct.
The SAP 13 of the 7th of February 2021, Captain, it is very important because Mohane, that is Sergeant Mohane, allegedly recovers a cell phone from accused number 2, Mr. Ndanzi. The defense cannot follow such processes because on the following day, it is found at Middelburg Police, the CPI, SAP 13 registered. You understand that, Captain?
Captain ke uyazisisa ukuthi manje ke leyona ke i-register le ibaluleke kakhulu ecala likaNtanzi ke ange-7 zikaFebruwari ngo-2021 ngoba uMogoane yena uthi-ke wathola-ke i-cellphone ke kuyenza kuyena umzali Ntanzi usuku olulandelayo kwaloko-ke i-cellphone le esetholakala-ke manje kuthiwa seyile i-Middelburg. Uyakuzwa lokho?
ngiyakuzwa.
I can hear you.
You know what, sorry, before you answer that, just read this. Because it seems like. Yes. No, it's okay. Yeah, you can give it to Mr. Numalo and all of them.
Can I-
Uxolo, ne?
can-
Because he's
sorry.
asking you a question which has something to do with it.
Sorry. I'm sorry, Ashley. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I take it first to Mr. Numalo.
My lord, I'm trying to follow. What is it?
Once you read it, you'll get the light.
Inkosi enkantolo ke ithi-ke ngaphambi ukuthi umzana uNxumalo-ke ufakazi aphendule khona-ke lokhu angathanda ukuthi akufunde-ke umnikeza wona amaphepha ukuthi afunde okuthile-ke.
My lord, the handwriting, may I get assistance from my colleague?
Yeah, fine, fine.
My lord, before I pursue any further questions, may I seek indulgence, just a short adjournment to take instructions from the accused, please.
Very clever man. How long?
Uthi-ke umzana uNxumalo ngaphambi aqhubeke uthanda ukuthi mhlambe azokwazi ukukhuluma nomsolo aqala ngaphambi aqhubekele
For how long
phambili.
do you want us to adjourn?
5 minutes. 15 minutes.
Yeah, it's about 15 minutes because we dealt with the same thing with Mr. Ramusipidi.